Good evening, 4-3. Tonight we're going to be starting with Lesson 4, Read and Write Multi-Digit Numbers using Base 10 numerals, number names, and expanded form. In order to focus on numbers in expanded form, we're going to need a place value chart, just like the one you see here. So we need to practice knowing where our ones and our tens and our hundreds and our thousands and our 10,000s and our 100,000s and our millions go. All right, we're going to practice writing a number in expanded form. Right now, this number, 50,679, is in standard form. And we want to change this into expanded form. We want to stretch this number out. And how we do that, we're going to be using the plus sign, the addition sign. So in order to start working this, we're going to use our place value chart, and we're going to see the number 9, and the number 9 is in the ones. The 7 is in the tens. The 6 is in the hundreds. There are no thousands, but we need to put a 0 there. And there's 5 in the 10,000s place. All right, so let's go into the 10,000s place. Then there's a number 5. The number 5 is telling us that we have 5 copies of the 10,000s. So, what is the value of that 5? It is 50,000. In the thousands place, we have a 0, so we have no copies of the thousands. In the hundreds place, we have a 6, so we have 6 copies of hundreds. So, what's the value of that? 600. In the tens, we have a 7, and so we have 7 copies of the tens. That means the value of the 7 is 70, and in the ones, we have a 9. There's 9 copies of 1, so that means there are 9 ones. To show expanded form, we need to use that addition sign. So we have 50,000 in the 10,000s, so we're going to put 50,000 plus, we have nothing in the thousands, so we're just going to leave that alone. We have 600, I'm going to put 600, plus 70, plus 9. This is how we show expanded form. All right, let's go in reverse now and take expanded form into standard form. So here we have an expanded form, 300,000 plus 8,000 plus 400 plus 6. And let's use our place value chart to place those numbers in. So here is 300,000, and we have 3 copies of the 100,000s. Then here's plus 8,000. Well, there is no 10,000s, but we have an 8 for the 1,000. So we have 8 copies of 1,000. We have 400, so that means we have 4 copies of hundreds. And we have no tens, but we have 6 copies of 1, so we have 6 ones. But now we have no number in the tens and no number in the 10,000s, so we're going to put a 0 because we have no copies of 10,000s or tens. Okay, now we can take that number out of the place value chart and write it in standard form, a regular way of writing a number. 3, 0, 8, 4, 0, 6. Remember, we need to put in our comma. So the comma comes after 1, 2, 3, comma. How the proper way of saying this number is 308,406. Okay, so how would we write this in word form? It's actually spelling out how you're reading it. So we would write 308,406. 6. You are writing it just like you would read the number. All right, 4-3, now it's to see how much you've learned tonight. I want you to give it a try. 54,076 in expanded form. What would that look like? Now you have this one, which is in expanded form, and I would like you to figure out what it looks like in standard form. Okay, here's your next number, and it's in standard form, and I would like you to figure out what it looks like in word form. Excellent work tonight, guys. I can't wait to work with this with you tomorrow. Have a wonderful night. Way to go.